Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Nur Tunnel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a new VPN application called Nur Tunnel VPN. So don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this YouTube channel. For more tutorials like this, don't forget to share this video with your friend. Invite your friends to get also connected to a fast, secure, and stable internet access. Don't forget to like the video so that it can move and reach more audience. So guys, let us start up our tutorial. First, foremost, we open Google Play Store and then we are going to download our VPN application called Nur Tunnel VPN. And keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, informational, educational, demonstrational purposes only. Users, viewers, subscribers, members are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and then after the community guidelines. So this VPN application does not require any account or login authentication. You don't need to create an account to use it. So what I mean, you're going to be using it without an account. That is it in all countries and in all networks. After downloading it, open it, and this is how you're going to set it step by step. Even if you have never set it up in a VPN application, this tutorial is right for you. Secondly, you're going to update our servers, and then you're going to choose the option of online update. Give this VPN few seconds to update each server so that you can enjoy a fast, stable, secure internet in your home country. So we're going now to come where you see the auto select server, and then I'm going to be seeing many of these servers. As you see, there are so many, but I do recommend my viewers to choose any server that is near to your country's location, or to choose your country's server and then use that one. But for the interest of many and for the request of many, we are going to keep up with the auto select server. Then after, you're going to come where you see that one where I'm pointing. So you're going to come and then you're going to move from recommended to all country. But you can first peruse through what is recommended for you and then see whether it suits your need. But this is what I recommend. You're going to choose all countries, and then once you choose all countries, you're going to activate your search bar. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and in your search bar type UDP, or you can type your country's name. They'll be bringing you a list of servers or networks in your country. And then after, you're going to choose either we're going to use the UDP Stadia Supermax, or you're going to connect to this one or to that one. But I recommend the first one, the UDP Hysteria. Choose that one, and then by choosing it, let us all gather where you have a start. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share. As you see, our VPN application has connected successfully. That is it, and let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Nur Tunnel signing out.